The sun is shining and the color of the sun is shining. It seems like a big ultra-pulsed sky. But when the sky changes, the sky will be bright. And this sky has a very bright light. And this is because the color of the moon is very less. And the red light on it. The light on the moon is blocked by the light of the whole moon. But because the red light of the moon is the red light, this means that the sky is blocked by the light. And the red light is scattered. The sky is not visible, but the red light is visible. This is the light of the sun in the area of the sun. Because of which the sun is shining and the sun is visible. And the sky is also visible with the light of light. The light of the moon is a very light color. It seems that the light of the moon is very light. Because of which the light of the moon is also visible. And if the light of the moon is not light, then the light of the moon is only visible in the sky. The light of the moon is visible. Now you can't forget the light of the moon. You can prepare a new and good song for the moon. Until then, we will learn about the moon missions. Now, many missions have been sent to the moon. And this is the next one, which is sent to the rover. The movements on the moon are pictures and measurements. NASA has sent 5 robotic vehicles on the moon, which are called the rovers. Sojourner, Spirit, Opportunity, Curiosity, and Perseverance. And Mars, 2020, Perseverance, rover mission. NASA's Mars exploration program is part of the project. It is the process of life on the moon. The journey to explore the moon is the journey of the moon. And from then on, the mission is sent to the moon. The US, Russia, Bharat, and European space agencies are very famous for all the countries. In 2003, the island of Bharat was launched by the Mars Orbiter mission. And this is the first interplanetary mission to the island. The first mission to the island was successfully entered the island of the moon. And with that, the 4th space agency of the world became the world's largest. The first space agency was created by NASA and European space agencies. And after so many years, the island of the moon has been set up in 2 stages. Do you know that only 2 countries of the world are in America and the world is in the world of the world? The space is possible to escape the Earth. And if you think about the world of the moon, what will happen? Because space has been set up in a very large development. Because the starship of this company of the island of the moon is the most powerful launch vehicle that will take place together. And this whole reusable transport system will be created. The island of the moon is also a military unit. It is a vehicle to make the space of the reusable rockets. And its mission is to use the rockets. The space of the Mars mission can be reduced to 5 times less. And it can also be stopped by rockets. It is a very far away plan. The island of the moon is also ready to make the propellant. Because the space has to be sent back to the island. The propellant will be needed. And all people will have to take their home. The island of its possibility is also found. Because the island of the moon is very much in the island. And the water can also be removed from the earth. And they can also be made from the help of CO2 and H2O. And it will be used in the fuel control. And for this kind of travel, the fuel of our vehicle will also be used. When the propellant will go on the island of the moon, it will be possible to return and come back. But is there any question in your mind that if you are sent to the moon or send a mission to the moon, or send a Mars mission to the island? So you know that the moon and the earth are connected to the sun. But their distance and distance are different. And now, take care of this after every 26 months. The moon and the earth are coming to a CD line. The earth is in between. And this situation is called an opposition.